Hi crafty friends, I'm going to show you how to make this tag today. It's super quick, it will literally take you about 3 minutes. You'll need a page from an old book that you will fold in half and then fold in half again. Open it up and apply glue on the first half, then fold it over on the crease line. Apply glue again on the other half and fold over. This will be the base of your tag. To cut the corners, I do a little bit of a cheat and I use an existing tag as a template. This way you can cut them super quick and they will be even. I'm going to distress the edge with some ink. The ink that I'm using is a Holtz Distress Oxide in the color Walnut. I'm using my blending brush for this. Next, I'm going to add a little bit of a design in the background using the stencil. I'm applying the ink, again the walnut color, with the blending brush through the stencil. If you have time and a sewing machine, you can stitch all the way around. As a cheat, I like to use a black fine liner pen and do a line all the way around to frame it. To add some dimension, I'm adding some splatter. I'm using watered down white acrylic paint. Once it's nice and dry, we're going to add our focal point. I'm using a little vintage person. This is from the Holtz collection. And I'm going to give her little butterfly wings. This printable is from Digital Collage Club. A list of all the materials I am using in this project will be in the description box below. I will glue down the wings first. For this, I'm just using a glue stick. And I place my little vintage person in the front to make sure I have the placement of the wings correct. I will then stick my little vintage person down with hot glue. This is because she is made of cardboard and I need a sturdier adhesive for her. For the tie at the top, I'm going to use a matching green color. I have this one with little white spots. I'm not going to punch a hole. Instead, I'm going to fold the ribbon in half and staple it in place using 2 staples and trimming it down to size. As an optional extra, you can add a little sentiment. I'm going to add a little one that says BU in black with white writing. I'm going to add a little bit of glue to adhere that down well. And then pop it in your journal pocket and you're done. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I really hope you enjoyed watching how to make a tag in less than 3 minutes. Hope you were inspired to create your own. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you again soon. Bye.